a little vegan butter on top of our savory pumpkin muffins. Okay. So we're going to start with 2 cups of flour. And then to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we're going to do a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. By the way, written recipe is linked below. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you whisk that up. And then we're just going to set that aside. So now for our wet ingredients, we have 1 cup canned pumpkin and then 1 cup of our homemade oat milk. Here's how we make it.
Show me where to go, for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, burning with an angel that was caught in the surf. The breath of my heart started with the touching the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in the love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey,
don't forget to use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off yours. That will be linked below. So to this, I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter. I like to use the country crock these days. Whisk that together. And then, of course, we're going to add that to our wet ingredients. And we're just going to fold it together until it is just incorporated. Then we're going to add some fun stuff. Okay, so we're going to do 1/2 pound of vegan sausage that's been cooked, 1/2 a red onion, you can do onion, whatever, sauteed, and then 1/2 cup of vegan blue cheese, you guys. So I found Follow Your Heart's, finally I found Follow Your Heart's vegan blue freaking cheese. Okay, it is so blue cheesy stinky and I love it. So we're going to mix that until it's incorporated and put it in a greased cupcake pan. But I want to make a streusel to put on top. So, of course, we have to do, like, pumpkin seeds, right? So I have 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. We got, like, 1/4 cup of oats, another 1/4 cup of that vegan blue cheese, 1/4 cup of vegan butter. We have a tablespoon of sugar. We're going to add that to, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Add that to about a 3/4 cup of flour. Just get it all together. Push it on top of the fucking muffins, you know. Put it in a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. And holy shit, I put some vegan butter on top, of course, because I'm that bitch. And it is so moist, so fluffy. Hold on, let me show you the inside. It's like fluffy. You've got the sausage. You've got that blue cheese, bringing a little extra note. The onion, perfect. 10 out of 10. Make sure you subscribe. Love you.
Good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.